Hey, thanks for checking out Growth Bites, the ultimate community, free community for people enthusiasts about growing microgreens for yourself, for a business, side gig, commercial growing, whatever you want. We discuss it all in this free group. This group is completely free. You can join the community. There's a lot of things to do in this group and everything. So let me show you around the group. All right. So when you get in here and you get into Growth Bites, it's going to ask you a few questions to join the group and everything else to make sure you're really human and not a spammer. We want real people in here. So you get a community. This community is what you're going to get for free. So you get this whole community here. A lot of great posts that goes in this community. Everybody's in here is very active and very helpful. Sometimes the students answer questions or the people in the community answer questions before I get a chance to answer the questions, which is great. That's what we want. We want a great community of microgreen growers. So that's what you get in here. You get this whole community, everything else. You get this calendar as well. So this calendar here is going to tell you everything that we're doing. Like we do a feature Friday. Today is Friday that I'm filming this. We do a featured Friday episode every Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you'll get this. You'll get a link right to it. You can go to it. That's awesome. So you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. It's right there in the calendar. You can find out when you want to come see what we're doing. We do stuff almost every day, 99% of the time. We're every day unless something weird happens. We're doing something live. So like tomorrow we have a podcast. It's on here. You can just go straight here and go to the podcast and go right to that link and get to our podcast, which is awesome. So you know what we're doing. You get this calendar. Is awesome. We do plantings, everything else in here. And then we also, will have in this calendar, which is back here in February, but this one we're going to start doing Growth Bites community group Q&A every Thursday of the last Thursday of every month at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's what was voted on. So we'll be doing that every Thursday, which will be added to this calendar here soon. Be that Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you can come to that group, ask questions, and be on Zoom call. And you can ask questions, everything else. That is free to you too as being a community member. If you ever want to go deeper, if you go levels, so there's leaderboards. Let's look at the leaderboards here. You get stuff. So you get this equipment supply thing. Right here. So you'll get this equipment slides thing by simply just joining the group. You get this. It goes into detail of all of our equipment. You got this link right here. It's going to take you, and you get all of the equipment that we use. So you'll get that as well. And now I need to minimize that. Go back to this. There we go. So you get all that list and everything right there. So you get that just by joining. If you do some, introduce yourself, some people like your comments, everything else you post in there, you'll get to level 2 very fast, but you get the price calculation sheet. And this sheet tells you, gets you to know how much you can charge for microgreens to make sure you make a profit. Very, very valuable sheet. You also get that for free. You can level up to level 3 and you're going to get a whole recipe area right here. So you get all these recipes. We add more recipes to it every week. These things are all for free just by you interacting in the community. More and more stuff will be added to that leaderboard as well. You see Tracy here is all over the top of this leaderboard. Tracy gets all this stuff. So Tracy's been very active in this group. So is Dan. Carlos is getting very active in the last 7 days. So great to see that. So yeah, you get that as well. The classroom, the Growth Bites here. This is $27 a month. You can get that. But if you join the group, there is a special offer to get this. And you get daily videos about microgreens, microgreen business, and everything else. You get daily videos that come out every day to you, a new video. Obviously, I have a lot on mine because I've been in the group. But every day a new one gets released to you, and you'll have it. So it's amazing there. And then you get access to myself, my wife, who's actually doing the business. You can ask questions in there and everything else. So you can get more help faster than anywhere else you're going to get it in any other social media platforms. This is off of that. Thanks for checking it out. Go to Skool, skool.com/growthbites, and that will take you to there. And we will see you in there and hope to connect with you more. Thanks for checking it out.